Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Chrome profiles using Google Sync easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Click on the profile icon located in the top right corner. Select Manage People from the drop-down menu. In the new window, choose the profile you want to backup. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. If you're not logged in, click Sign In and follow the prompts. Once logged in, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, locate You in Google. Click on Turn on Sync if it's not already activated. Review the sync settings according to your preferences. Make sure all desired data types are toggled on, such as bookmarks, history, and passwords. After confirming, Chrome will begin syncing your profile data to Google. To check if the sync is working, click on Sync in Google Services. Here, you can see the last sync date and time. If syncing is complete, your Chrome profile data is now backed up in your Google account. To access your backup, open Chrome on any device. Log into the same Google account. Your profile will automatically sync, restoring all backed up data. Congratulations, you now know how to back up your Chrome profiles using Google Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.